Hello, welcome to the atWar by now tutorial. We'll go through the website. You can get there by either typing atWar-game.com, redirects you to homepage, or by the game's old name, atWar-game.com. Here's the homepage there. If you click that, it'll get to the same page, as you can tell. On top, you can see your username. It gives you various options, such as edit profile, where you basically change your picture and signature. That's stuff you will mostly use. However, you can also change your name, the birth date, and what country you're from. You can also connect your Facebook ID and connect with a simple click. Connecting with your Facebook account, not your afterward account. You can also log out, and then if you belong to a coalition, you can click it and go straight to its page, like so. Moving on, there's the home page, there's forum, we'll go through that later. Players, it gives you the list of players in the game, sorted by SP accumulated. There's the first ones. And there's the coalitions, you can see here. There's the top coalitions by this season, there, and there's explanation of how coalition league, let's say, works per season. And there's the top coalition sorted by competence. Here we got the frequently asked questions, which is, you could say it's a form of text tutorial if you haven't played the in-game one. I do suggest you read this and play the in-game one as well. And if you hover over, you can go to the units. It's quite an important page. You can formulate strategies here. You can put any strategy you like. Let's try Iron Fist. And then include my upgrades, the ones you put in game. And you see the final statistics of your units, how they will perform in game. And do various calculations and formulate strategies. Now back to home. There is a news page, which you can find in the forum as well. And there's play, which you can click both that and that, it's the same thing. And download if you want to play outside of the browser. Scrolling down, we can see Battlefield Report, which is game started and finished recently. There's the top players by SP again, in a day, in a week, and in a month. Further down, there's the top coalitions as shown in the coalition page by season, and you can see the last season as well. There's the south box on the right, and then there's atWar-game's atWar as a main referral system, and the latest update in the news blog. So let's go to forum. There's the coalition forum if you belong in one. Following is the coalition wars and recruitment. Those two. Following those are the general discussion, which you can discuss pretty much everything about the game. Ideas and suggestions if you come up with a good idea and you want to improve the game. Questions. There's game strategy and tips, where you could ask, for example, Iron Fist tips I see here. News and blog posts, which you can access from there as well. That's where the admins post about updates of the game. Tournaments, about ongoing ones and upcoming ones, as you see there. Videos, which is basically tutorials, if you can see. Openings, previews, tutorials. And recorded finals. There's the feedback polls, where admins would post a poll and then you can simply answer the question they ask. Bug reports. If you find something that you think it's a bug, you take a picture with screenshot, post it there. Maps and scenarios forum, about the custom maps part of the game. And the off-topic forums and promotional pages. There you will have to enlist as a helper. The off-topic forums is pretty much everything. And here's the international ones. Now we'll see some more forum specifics. You can go anywhere by clicking the topic there, and you can check a person's user page by clicking the name. And that's me. You can see there various statistics about him. Now going back to forum specifics, we'll click on the topic right there. Here you can see there's various options how you can format your text: bold, italic, underlined, linking to somewhere. I used the game's URL, linking with clickable text, sizes, strike through, images in post, embedded video, list, a link to the user's page, text alignment, and another form of bullet points. We'll go to edit mode to see the code better. There's bold, putting the B tags along with the ending ones, italic, underlined. With the URL, you must include the HTTP for it to work. The clickable text is what you do is you put the URL equals, then put the URL and bracket, then the text you'd like to be clickable, send you to the desired URL, and the ending tag. There's the sizes, there's the strike through, the image. What you do is you copy the image URL where you found it, put it between image tags. YouTube, put the YouTube tags, and between them you put that part of the URL only, after equals. And then there's a list, and that's the list. You put list and asterisks and your points next to them. To link to the user, you put the user tags and his name between them. However, if the user changes the name, this won't work. Now the text alignment, that's left. You don't actually have to set it to left with those tags every time. It's the default one. Center, that's there, using this code, and that's right, using that. And those two, there's a different form of bullet points, using plus signs among brackets. And that's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching.